I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to turn on the always on display. So this is very simple, but you have to go into settings. So the easiest way to go to settings is to swipe down and then tap on the settings wheel icon. And that should take you to this main settings page. Scroll down and find display and brightness. And then under display and brightness, if you scroll down, you should see always on display. Tap on that. Now you can turn on the always on display by switching on at this toggle button. If you tap on it, it's going to warn you that this will lead to a higher battery usage. To confirm, just tap on the check mark and the button will go on, and that's going to turn on the always on display. Now, alternatively, you can choose to have always on display on at certain times. So you can come here and enable scheduled. So you can actually schedule when the always on display comes on and when it goes off. So for instance, personally, I've set it to start at 8 a.m. So at 8 a.m. every day, the always on display will turn on, and then it's gonna turn itself off at 9 p.m. when I'm going to sleep, because I really don't want my watch on when I'm going to sleep. Okay, so if you want to, you can turn it on at specific times by scheduling it, or you can just turn off the schedule and leave this on, and that means always on display is gonna be on all the time. Okay, so once you select whatever you want, you can now go back to the watch face. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.